Hi guys, and today I'll be starting off my boxing series. You know what I said, I think like last month, what I'll do, but now it's March, so happy days. So basically, boxing, I love it. Hopefully you guys like it as well. I've been doing boxing for, I think, 3 years-ish, so I know what I'm doing. So this episode will be stances for beginners. So yeah, first off, right, either you're, firstly, before you get into full boxing motion and all that, find what foot you feel comfortable with. So I am I think southpaw, so my right foot is pointing that way and my back leg is pointing behind me, right, and we've got loads of different, guards and defences. The one I commonly use is the one so you protect your face this side, but also protect this area or below, right? And you want to use your shoulder to sort of, so if someone throws a jab, you can just slip it and it'll go up. So that's I like to call that the Philly shell, or the in maths, you know what I mean? The in maths, fucking come on. Right. Another one is the yeah, that one. And then you've got, well, obviously you've got the basic one, the arms in, sort of all that stuff. So, and there are many others that I can't possibly think of now, but hopefully, fingers crossed, next episode I will be going in more depth into, more in depth of sparring strategies, combinations you can do, and all that stuff. Yeah, so sorry if this video was really quick. I just wanted to just kick it off, just so I get I get a vibe of what how to, all that stuff. So hope you guys liked it. If you do, like and subscribe, that'll be awesome. And yeah, I'll see where I'm at with ideas for this sort of series, and I will upload hopefully every Wednesday for this series. Leave a comment down below of what possibly I could do next in this series. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, that would be amazing. And peace out, and obviously stay positive. Yeah, stay positive.